Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So sometimes you are not in the mood for a specific artist or any playlist. You just want to explore a whole basically type. Maybe you are craving some classic rock, jazz, or you just want to check out what's new in hip hop, for example. Or if you like diving into rap, Amazon Music makes it super easy to browse by any type, giving you access to curated playlists, new releases, and any top songs in any style. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to navigate types and find exactly what you are looking for. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So if you want to access all of these, you should launch Amazon Music, log in using your email address and password, then access the browse or the search bar at the top of the screen for me. On the app, it will be in the bottom. So it may be labeled explore on some basically versions. So right now you can go and see various sections including country, rock, hip hop, pop, R&B, dance, electronic, classical, K-pop, jazz, indie, alternative, songwriters and producers, Indian music, Afro, Caribbean, acoustic, whatever you actually like. Just type basically just pick a type. For example, we're gonna go with this one, Afro. Then it will give you all of these stations and all of these songs that are included. You will be taken to a dedicated type page with multiple sections, top playlists, new releases, top songs, essential albums, and even the mood subcategories. Start listening. Tap any playlist, album, or even song to start playing. You can also tap the three dots for any item to add it to your library or playlist. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.